Hey guys, today I'm gonna showing you how to fix the black screen in Crysis 3. So as we go to Crysis 3, just wait for a little. And Crysis 3 logo comes up. The sound is just continuing, but there's no display. So it's not just really a great problem. What you have to do is go to your destination folder where you have installed Crysis 3, and there you will find a system.cfg configuration file. So double click it, select a program of a list and open it with Notepad. So in the last line you will see that G_language is equal to Russia. So change it to English. Once you have done, just cross it, save. Now go again to your game, and this time we will check out that the problem is fixed or not. Yeah, it is fixed. Thanks for watching.